Welcome back, everybody. We've got a quick tutorial for you today on how to change Microsoft Edge into a dark mode theme. Currently, dark mode is trending. You can see it on my screen recordings. It's a lot easier, personally, to look at for a longer period of time. And Microsoft Edge does have a dark mode, and it is very easy to access and update. All we got to do is go over to the triple dots over here on the right. We're going to go to the settings option, and then we're going to choose a theme, and we're literally going to make it dark. So as you can see, it was just that simple to put Microsoft Edge into a dark theme mode. You can click out of settings by hitting the triple dots, and you are good to go. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you have any questions or things you'd like me to answer or show you how to do, please make sure to reach out in the comments or hit me up on Twitter. And until next time, have a great day.